The tune shop here at the Terry Peak ski area. Not only do we tune our own equipment, make sure that it's enjoyable to ski and ride out on the slopes, but we can tune your personal equipment with a quick turnaround.
Yep, me and Pete are open. You drop your skis off Friday night, they'll be ready for Saturday morning for you, bright and early.
We'll start fresh by sanding this down over the belt on our Fontaine ski tuning machine here. So we're going to remove material, try to start fresh with a new layer.
We're not just a ski tune shop, we also do your snowboards. We have the capable equipment. As you saw, Pete was working on just the ski base grind machine, but also we do have a wider one used for snowboards.
So we go from the base edge, so this gets a 1 degree bevel on the bottom of the base so that the angle isn't exactly 90 degrees like flat, but we get a little bit of an angle on the ski so that when you're arcing a corner and you're getting the ski to hook up and move around the edge, if you want it to skid out at the end, you don't want it to trench and stay stuck in the trench, in the rut that you're making into the groomer. When you put a bevel, the more degrees you have on the bevel, the easier it is to skid out when you want to. So if you want the ski to let go of its arc and corner, you can let go of it easier when we put a bevel on the edge. So it won't be quite as sharp or as hooky as if we had a straight base that was flat. When we put a bevel on, it just lets go of that arc a little bit easier, and you can kind of skid stop really fast if you needed to. And then we'll switch from the base edge to the side edge. And so since this guy hasn't been touched yet, it's a little bit more rough, a little bit more, you can see there's some nicks and stuff in there, little bits of oxidation here and there. And what we're going to do is knock all that stuff down and get it smoothed out again. And on the base, the side edge, we haven't been able to get anything to that yet, and so that's what we're going to do now. On this side edge bevel here, we're going to do 1 degree on that as well. The machinery does a really good job. I've used these machines for several years, and they come out consistent, really good quality, and we can make old equipment ski and ride like new. So this is our quick waxer. This is a hot machine that heats up, has a heating element. It heats up a wax application device that rolls around, and it will absorb a little bit of the wax, and then that wax gets transferred from it to the base of the ski at about 190 some odd degrees, and it will get the base and the ski heated up enough so that the base saturates and soaks up the wax. The base material, it wants to hold wax. We want that wax to get impregnated into the base, and the best way to do it is with heat. So this machine will makes quick work of what typically takes a long time with an iron. With all of our skis and the rental fleet that we have, it makes sense to have this device, and it also works really well. I've used this device for my personal snowboard and skis, and it works out really well. It holds wax for a pretty long time. We'll use this for our customers as well. So that's our end ski. Make it look good. A good base. And a structure in there. Those striations, those lines are like aqua channels.
So as you can see, we can fix pretty much about anything. You have any problems, just bring it up to me and Pete, and we'll get it taken care of for you. We're open, starting the day after Thanksgiving, and we know preseason tunes are a must, so come on up.